Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
Calm down, Clarence.
Nah, hell
Sir.
no. He don't even know my name and tell him I have a warrant.
What did he do?
That's what I'm saying.
For what?
For what?
Warrant from Louisiana.
For what?
For what?
Yeah.
I don't even live in Louisiana, so how would I have a... You don't know my name, so how can you tell me I have an open warrant in Louisiana?
Sir, stop.
Clarence,
Calvary
hold on.
coming.
Okay, but you
Oh,
don't
it's
even
your phone.
know
Oh, it's your phone.
You don't even know me.
I already got you.
No, you don't even know
Sir.
me. You don't even know my name.
I'm under control.
Why would I trust you?
Hello.
Stop.
What? I'm confused.
He
He don't even live in Louisiana.
No. You don't. How can you tell me I have something you don't know my name? You just pulled up in front of my house and then. Nah, I don't trust. Cause you shaking like you scared or something.
You're pulling.
Okay.
I trust you. You shaking like you scared.
He don't live in
No,
Louisiana.
I don't even live in Louisiana. How the hell would I have a warrant in Louisiana?
Quentin, you already said your name was that.
My name is not Quentin. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Put your hand by your
Nah,
Sir, his
fuck
name
that.
is
My
not
name
Quentin.
Is not fucking Quentin.
Then let's see the ID and we'll be done.
Okay,
Fuck that.
hold
You just told
on.
me three different names. You
No.
woke up and
No.
told me three
Stop.
different
Stop.
names.
Hold
That's the
on.
third
Shut
name
up.
you just
Shut up.
Clint.
Fuck that. No, I'm not finna be the next nigga you kill. Fuck
Stop.
that shit.
No.
Fuck that. No.
Stop.
His name is not
My name is not no
Quentin.
fucking
Then
Quentin.
let's do this and be done. I got no probable cause. I got
You
your
just
picture.
stopped in front of my fucking house.
Yes, I know who you are.
It's a, you know, what's my name?
Give it.
Man, fuck that. You shaking like you scared. I'm not finna let you put me in handcuffs.
Please stop. Stop. Please stop.
My name is not no fucking Quentin. You don't even know my name and tell me I got a warrant in
Okay.
Louisiana?
Yes. You want
Do
to
I
show
look
me the
like
picture?
a...
You want me to
Show
show
me
you
the
the
picture.
picture?
Show me the picture.
Okay,
Come over here.
wait.
Just walk with me.
Nah,
No, walk with me.
No.
Tell him walk with
Please,
me.
he's not going nowhere.
with me.
He's
Walk
not
with me.
going
Nah,
nowhere.
fuck that. I need your supervisor or
I am
somebody
the
else.
supervisor. Come on.
Well, let me see your stripes. Well, I need,
Come on,
I need
let's
somebody
walk
over
in front of the car.
No, you're not
Walk
gonna give
in
me to
front
your
of the
car.
car.
No.
Sir,
No,
sir.
fuck that. You in my yard on my
Walk
property.
in.
Fuck that.
Calm down.
Stop,
Just
stop.
calm
You
down.
stop. You stop.
Who are you looking for?
That's what
His
I'm saying.
name is
My
not
no fucking
Quentin.
Quentin.
Let me see your
You
ID.
think I'm from because I got dreads or something?
No.
You just
Let me
pulled
see.
up in front of my fucking house
What?
and told me I got a
Because you
warrant in
had a dog
Louisiana.
walking.
So what? That's my fucking dog.
That's our dog. That's our dog. Go in the house.
Look, man.
Sir, that's our
I don't
dog.
want you touching me while you shaking. You need to step back and calm down. No, fuck that.
Sir, his name is not Quentin. That's our dog.
You just told me three different names.
No.
You pulled up on some bullshit talking about I got a stolen dog. My dog is chipped.
That's
I got
our-
a chip in
yes,
my dog.
we
I
have
had a dog since he
papers.
was born.
Okay. Let me see the ID.
And then you talking about some shit in Louisiana, then you say my name is Quentin. My name is not no fucking
What is
Quentin.
it?
I'm not telling you my
What is
name,
your
but
last
it's not
name?
Quentin. I'm not
Okay.
telling you my last
I'm gonna have the
name.
other units come here and put your hands behind your back then, okay?
No, fuck that
Sir,
shit.
what did he didn't do
Man, This is the
anything?
shit I'm talking about. Behind the fucking dog that's mine.
That's our dog. We can go get you the
You just
papers.
seen me walk out my house and then just came and put it in front of my yard.
Oh my God. Sir, who are you looking
stop, man,
for?
because you shaking like you
Get my
crazy.
phone out of the car.
There you got him running.
Get my phone out of the
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Man, fuck this
Let me
shit.
show you this.
Please calm down.
See?
Who are you looking
You
for?
fucking me?
Yes, I want to. I want to do this so we're done and over with. Okay? Okay?
Okay, well, you shaking and you
No, but you're pulling on me, so just, okay. Right here? We're good? Okay. Here's the deal. Doesn't that look a lot like you?
No, that don't look like
That's
me.
not
What the
him.
fuck is wrong with you, man?
Calm down.
What you trying to say? Because I got dreads and I'm black, that's me?
No.
That's not
Oh,
him.
you fucking, she can see that's not me from
Oh
over
my
there.
God.
Top head. Let me see your ID. Stop. We got no problem.
My name, you ain't got no fucking shit. You ain't, man, fuck
No,
that shit.
please
Look,
stop,
it's
stop,
gonna take
stop,
like
stop.
Two of y'all, it's gonna take more than
Please
two.
stop. Please leave him alone. Please.
Look,
No, please. That is not him. Please leave
man,
him
get the fuck,
alone.
man, get out my
I
yard,
need to do a
man.
report on this. I need to do a report.
Nah, you need to get the fuck out of my yard. You
No,
just said I'm somebody named Quentin.
Oh
You
my
got
God.
dreads and he black.
Come on.
What the fuck is that shit?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Nah, fuck that.
Okay,
But now you want to leave, right?
No, I want to do a report on this.
Nah, you need to get somebody here that's over you because you just made the biggest fucking mistake.
Why
How the
did-
fuck you pull in front of my yard
Come on.
because I'm black with dreads
No.
and tell me I got a warrant? in
Okay,
Louisiana?
okay.
You
No, he
you
just
racist.
our kids was out here.
No, my fucking kids.
Okay. Oh my God.
Well, you need to get the source that's over here.
He's looking. He's
Man,
my sergeant.
oh
but
my
I'm saying,
God.
look, the picture didn't look.
But that he didn't even ask him his name.
Don't leave now. Now stay here. Let me see that picture. Get that picture on.
Alright, my viewers, let me tell you something now. You see, mistaking identity, I want terrible thing. The amount of people who lose them life, the amount of people who have gone to jail and all these things, prison because of mistaken identity, it's endless, it can't count. Believe you me. You see me? Even back in the time of history, there was a young little black boy that was accused of something to a white girl, and you know, yeah, you see me, bad things happen, and trust me, I didn't want to even mention it because it's a black history thing. But at the same time, look, it's always good to have your identification on you. Believe you me, because trust me, this man right here almost go jail or prison for something where in the know about. But at the same time, you can't blame the police because the criminals are very slippery. They are very persuasive, and they will make things seem as to how them want at the time just to make an escape. You get me? So you can't blame the police officer. You see me? Now the big question we're asked in this little thing we say at me, so is this racism or not? Because some people, you know, because of the whole thing say that the man is black and so forth, and you see me, and that is the thing where I really talk about this one on social media, to be honest. You see me, I say, because you know, the first thing, as a white man start to arrest a black man, you know that is going to be the biggest thing to talk about. You see me? So now I bring this to you, my viewers, for you to look at this one. You see me? Really and truly, if it is racism or is it just police doing them work? You see me? Well, let me know what you think, and as always, you don't know the thing. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Skillad, and this is the Dancehall Skillad ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?